Morning class 8th. How are you people doing? So today we are going to complete this comprehension part which we started earlier. I have explained you this uh, last week. Yes, we have started this last week, and I'm going to complete, and I gave you this for the homework that you have to do these question answers. So have you done this? I have given you the homework. So we have read this on 10th. The date is written here, and I gave you this for the homework. Nobody has sent me the images. Actually, you should do work yourself. Only then you will be able to find out the answers. If you don't practice finding answers, locating answers, so how will you do that in the senior classes? Because in senior classes, nobody is going to dictate you the answers. So you should practice from today only. So this passage we read on 10th of November, right? And I have explained you this whole comprehension. I told you to go through the passage again, read it again, and solve the question answers. So now we'll start with this. Tick the best answer for each question. Author's favorite ride is, so this is Ferris wheel. Author finds Ferris wheel to be very, what he feels to be very thrilling or relaxing. Here it is written, just go through it. It is still exciting, but yeah, rather I find them very relaxing. She has written here, so she feel very relaxed. So the C part. The first Ferris wheel was designed for, first Ferris wheel कब डिज़ाइन हुआ था? Chicago World Fair in 1893. So the answer is Chicago World Fair. According to the author, most people prefer, author के accordingly most people कौन सी राइड प्रेफर करते हैं? Unlike most of the people who seem to prefer roller coaster, my favorite ride is little more gentle. So here the most people prefer roller coaster. So here the answer will be the D. At the top of the Ferris wheel, one gets, जब आप एकदम टॉप पे पहुंच जाते हैं तो आपको क्या दिखता है वहाँ से? ब्यूटीफुल साइड्स ऑफ पार्क. ये देखिए. Yeah. At the top of the Ferris wheel, you get beautiful sights of the park. तो मीन्स जब आप एकदम टॉप पे होते हैं फेरिस व्हील के, तो नीचे आपको पार्क की ब्यूटीफुल साइट्स नज़र आती हैं. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस MCQs. Now, which word is the antonym of the italicized word in the given line? As simple as the ride seems, only advanced engineers can make safe and fun Ferris wheels. So here the italicized word is advanced, and we have to find the antonym of the italicized words. Advanced हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा modern, उसका antonym हो गया backward. ठीक है? Complete the following sentences. Now, the Ferris wheel at the Chicago World Fair was amazing because, as one visitor put it, वो amazing क्यों था? अब आपको you have to read the passage and find out the answer of this first question. Complete the following sentences. Was amazing because, as one visitor put it, as the one visitor put it, the wheel was amazing because it seemed to be, the answer you will write it yourself, because it seemed to be missing support. ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिली हुई है, and it looked like that it will not be able to stand on its own, yet it did and even rotated. ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिली हुई है, मिसिंग है, और वो अपने आप पे खड़ी भी नहीं हो पाएगी, बट येट इट डिड एंड इवन रोटेटेड, और वो रोटेट भी हुई और इट वॉज स्टैंडिंग ऑन इट्स ओन ऑल्सो. सो यू विल राइट दिस आंसर नंबर 1. Right. in your own words. Here, I have told you, now write it yourself. The Ferris wheel is easy yet complex because it is easy भी है, complex भी है. कैसे? Ferris wheel is simple yet also quite complex because the riding is easy, but how it works is complicated. तो easy किस में है वो? Riding में easy है बच्चे, but working में क्या है वो? Complicated. So write down. It is easy riding. It is easy riding it, but how it works is very complicated. You will write it yourself in your own words here. In a Ferris wheel, a series of carts are. इसमें क्या है? Ferris wheel बनी कैसे हुई है? Series of carts are attached to a wheel which is attached to a rim. That rim rotates vertically around an axis and gravity keeps the carts upright. So you will write answer number 3 from here. Write in your own words and yourself. Now answer the following questions by choosing the correct. Answer the following by choosing the correct answer. As used in paragraph 1, the word attraction most nearly means. First paragraph में open first paragraph. Here you will find the word attraction. Everybody has a favorite attraction at amusement park and I am no different. So in words में you have to find out the nearest meaning. Sense? No. Park? No. Ride? Yeah, it can be ride, not the vision. Favorite attraction means favorite ride कह सकते हैं हम. So it can be the favorite ride attraction आपकी. When you visit an amusement park, so in amusement park here the word attraction means it refers to the rides only, because in amusement parks we go only for the rides, joy rides. So it comes from the ride. It can be understood that Coney Island, Navy Pier and the Santa Monica Pier are all the examples of. ये क्या लग रहे हैं आपको? Come back to this. Every time I go to Coney Island, Navy Pier or Santa Monica Pier, क्या है ये? I absolutely have to write the Ferris wheel. आपको क्या लग रहे हैं? What can be these? Amusement parks लग रहे हैं, Ferris wheel लग रहे हैं, vacation spots लग रहे हैं या boat docks लग रहे हैं? तो बट ऑब्वियसली मुझे तो ये अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क्स लग रहे हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ जाके उसने लिखा है ऑथर ने कि मैं हमेशा फेरिस व्हील लेती ही लेती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज राइड. सो आई थिंक दीज आर अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क्स. As used in paragraph 2, which is the best antonym for the word complex? Now come to the paragraph 2. Here is the word complex. So we have to find out the antonym of the word complex from these 4 words. So antonym of complex: impressive, no. Beautiful, no. Exciting, no. Simple. Complex, simple. Opposite हो गया उसका. What does the author like best about Ferris wheel? Author को सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता था Ferris wheel के बारे में? Impressive engineering and the beauty of them? I don't think so. Excitement and the thrills they guarantee? No, मुझे नहीं लगता. Ferris wheel में उसको क्या अच्छा लगता था सबसे ज़्यादा ऑथर को? आप बताइए. Beautiful sights and relaxation they allow. The fact the most amusement parks have one. So what I think the author likes about Ferris wheel was that when she gets at the top of the Ferris wheel, so what the beautiful sights they get of the parks from the at the bottom. So she feel relaxed there, sitting at the top, not in the hustle and bustle of that down below. So I think this thing like the best about the beautiful sights. and the relaxation they allow. See, it is written here. Nevertheless, I have to admit I don't seek Ferris wheel out because of the excitement. Excitement के लिए नहीं लेती थी वो. Rather, I find them very relaxing. उसने लिखा है खुद. At the top of the Ferris wheel, you get beautiful sights of the park. You also get a sense of calm that you don't get in the hustle and bustle of a park below. Means here, main attraction उनका क्या था? ब्यूटीफुल साइट्स देखना और रिलैक्सेशन फील करना जब वो टॉप ऑफ द फेरिस व्हील पे होती थी. दिस पैसेज वॉज मोस्ट लाइकली रिटन टू. किस लिए लिखी गई है पैसेज? जस्ट थिंक. डिस्क्राइब द ऑथर्स फेवरेट अम्यूजमेंट पार्क राइड्स. Explain the original design of the Ferris wheel and how they work today. Do you think that it is written to explain the original idea, original design of the Ferris wheel? Or describe the history of Ferris wheel and why they are so popular? Explain the history of Ferris wheel and why the author likes them. I think this passage is written to describe the history and why they are so popular. I think the C part is the most suitable. What do you say? So using the information in the passage, the reader can understand the tallest Ferris wheel in the world is. Tallest Ferris wheel कौन सी है हमारी इंडिया की? कितनी हाइट हो सकती है उसकी वर्ल्ड की? A part, B part, C part और D part. Can you find out from the passage? So is there written anywhere? So here it is written about the first Ferris wheel was made by this George Washington, named after this, and designed by Gail Ferris. Standing 264 feet high. ठीक है जी, ये first one थी. Then you come to the last paragraph. Ferris wheel technology has improved. Most of the today Ferris wheel are much larger. Largest in the world is Singapore Flyer, which stands slightly taller than twice what Ferris did. Means हमारी first वाली कितनी थी? 264 feet high. And here it is telling that it is slightly taller than twice. Taller than twice means इसकी दुगनी से थोड़ी और ऊपर. तो 264 plus 264 कितना हुआ? 528. 528 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, स्लाइटली टॉलर. तो मीन्स क्या हुआ? बिटवीन 500 to 750 फीट टॉल. ये उसकी हाइट रही होगी. ठीक है. तो बच्चे ट्राई टू solve the comprehensions yourself, find out the answers yourself, because in the higher classes you have to do it yourself, and until and unless you don't locate the answers yourself and you're not able to write it in your own words, so your writing skills will never be improved. So you will have to try it yourself, and the best part is to read comprehension, solve the locate the answers and write it in your own words, so it will improve your writing skills. Is it okay? So with this we finish this comprehension. We have finished this. We started on 10th and we finished it on 17th. Clear? We started on 10th, finished it on 17th. So what you can do is that you can get that photostat. आप इसे photostat करा सकते हैं पूरा story को, passage को, and you can paste it in your notebook and write down the question answer part only. Fine. Or it is up to you if you want to write the whole passage by your hand. It can be handwritten also, or the easiest way is to get it photostat and paste it in your notebooks and write down the question answers. So do it either way you feel like. So complete this